What's up, everyone? Thank you so much to everyone who basically took the time to watch and share the video of the Legacy. I know it was like 41 minutes long, and the amount of people that actually watched the entire thing and then shared it too. I was expecting like 1,000 views maybe on that video, and it's like 13,000 almost. And then over, I think, like 300 new subs, which is more than I had gotten in the last 2 months on this channel as well because of that video. And so I know how much you guys all love that car, and you're gonna miss it, and I'm gonna miss it, and it was really cool. I'm gonna tell you right now, my new daily is not as cool by any means. It's still gonna be fun, and there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff that I'll be able to do with it, but it's definitely very different from my Legacy. Don't worry, I will have another Legacy again. I'm just saving up for the right one because I want to make it really special. And yeah, so the new car, very different, as I said. I'm not gonna tease you guys anymore because I know that everybody just wants to see it, and that's what the title of this video is. So we're gonna go in through here. And by the way, I'm filming on my new GoPro Hero 7, so let me know what you think about it. I decided to kind of take my Sony camera and turn it into the full-time like cinema camera and everything. I can keep it on my gimbal, I can have a cage on it and everything, have it all heavy and good for cinema stuff, and then this is easy for vlogging. So tell me what you guys think about the audio, the video, all that jazz, because supposedly this thing's supposed to be pretty good. But anyways, let's go. The moment you've all been waiting for. This is my new 2003 BMW 320i. It's a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive. So it's basic. It's simple, it's nothing special, but at the same time it is special because it's got all the basic necessary requirements to be a fun winter car. The car, I'll insert a photo right here. It looked hilarious. It was so high on the stock suspension. The struts and everything were absolutely blown out of this world. They were brutal. You can see here in the garbage, this is half of one of the struts. That's how blown they were. So I literally, like, the night that I bought it, I ordered coilovers and already installed some Raceland coilovers on it. It's got a nice stance on it now, lowered it a bit, but not too much because this is the daily, so we gotta keep it reasonable. Gotta keep it able to drive everywhere. It doesn't rub, it doesn't scrape on anything. I can go straight in and out of parking lots. It's great. I love how short these BMW front bumpers are. It's a 2.2 liter inline 6, and we got the full leather interior. As you can see, I've already done a drift button. So, you know this thing is gonna get whipped around a little bit. I already ordered a hub so I can change my steering wheel to my old Grip Royal. And then this seat right here, nice big tear in the butt, will be replaced with my old Corbeau seat, which is sitting right there. By the way, this is our new garage. You guys haven't seen this yet. This is like my side with all my stuff over here. And the reason the car is in the garage right now is the power steering pump is toast on it. And it's leaking like crazy, and I'm having to fill it up with power steering fluid and stop leak and stuff literally every time I drive it. So I'm going to go to Pick and Pull in the morning on Saturday and try and find a pump for it. I do have another car to drive in the meantime, so this can sit here in the garage for a little bit. And I gotta try and finish that because we're going to Las Vegas on Sunday, the 28th, for SEMA. So, trying to get this all done so that Calvin can pull his S15 in here and have it parked and whatnot. because SEMA's going to be madness, and I don't know what the weather's going to be like when we get back. It should be nice, but yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty excited. It's going to be cool. It's nothing too crazy. Here, I'll open up the garage door. You can... It does have a few issues. There's a little bit of rust. The previous owner backed into a pole, so I'm gonna try and find a new trunk. But yeah, that's the daily. As you can see, power steering fluid absolutely everywhere. So yeah, that's dope. I'm excited. I wanted to do a way cooler video, have like a shot of it doing a burnout and basically have it parked somewhere cool and do like a little cinematic thing. But this whole power steering issue, I just said, I don't want to drive the car right now. I want to get everything sorted, get the car dialed, and then I'll make a cool video with it later in November once I'm back from SEMA and it's got winter tires on it and everything, and it's all good to go. And then I'll make a video with Mikey and his new BMW, and Calvin with his G35 sedan, and we'll all do BMW sedan sliding things. So I'm gonna insert some clips at the end of this of doing the coilovers. Incredibly easy, but all the bolts and everything are different sizes than JDM or Japanese cars. So it's kind of confusing, but also very easy at the same time. So I'll insert those clips and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I will have some videos coming out from SEMA. I'm gonna do an after movie, and then I'm gonna try to do weekly videos throughout the winter. I'm gonna do my best. So now that I have this new vlogging setup that's a little bit simpler, hopefully it will be, or give me more incentive to make these videos for you guys, and I can keep you up to date with all the stuff that's going on. So, yeah. Pizza. All right, so the main reason for doing these coilovers was this back right tire. As you can see, that strut, yeah, she's toast. And the front end link was not tight, and I'm pretty sure all the struts are blown anyways. So now we're doing the best. Set them at the height, the perches here. That's kind of where I'm gonna run it. A little bit lower on the back. And then we put this top piece in here. These springs were actually freaking cracked. Piece of junk. That one strut was blown to absolute garbage. This one is seized, So yeah, the suspension on this thing needed to be done wicked bad. So I'm gonna slap those in, and then I'm just gonna transfer the top hat off of that strut onto these. Same with the other side. And literally it's 3 bolts total. Crazy how easy this is. Nice.